Hi, my name is Esther. I am from the website VictorianLaneFarms.com. I would really love for you to come on over to my website. There you will find thrift and antique store finds. Today's video is about some cheap antique finds that I found at a thrift store, at an antique store, on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. So, if you are wanting to see what those are, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start this video by sharing this amazing find. You can kind of see it right here, and I'm going to tell you a story about it. First, let me show you what it is. You probably have seen these around, and I just think it's so beautiful. It is a beautiful antique radio. My husband loves to listen to the radio in the mornings and anytime really, and he turns this on, and this thing is so loud and so clear. It's been a beautiful addition to our home. I just want you to see it up close. Isn't that really pretty? And the wood. Anyway, so this is a fun story. I actually found this radio with my mom one time. We were antique shopping, and guess where I get my love for antiques? My mom and dad. Yes, they love antiques. So anyway, yeah, we were shopping and I saw this, and it was under $20. And I could not even believe it. And I grabbed it, and it has been a useful piece in my home. When I buy antiques or things from thrift stores, I want them to be useful, and this has been a wonderful addition to our home. So that is find number one. So the next thing I found is this mirror. It's metal. It's really sturdy. It's very ornate. Look at the top. Isn't that pretty? So anyway, I love this thing. This is something that I love putting in our guest bathroom. It's just really pretty. I mean, this camera is not even doing it justice. Isn't that pretty? So I found this for $5.99. Yes, I love these kind of finds. Anyway, so that's another antique find. I've shown this before. I did a dining room tour, and in there I show this on that tour, but it's this white pitcher. I mean, look at the details. It has a Victorian look that I love. It's really big, has a statement, but on the other side is these sweet little angels. Isn't that cute? Anyway, so I can turn it around like this when I'm wanting it to just be plain, or I can have these showing, and I like to put flowers inside, or eucalyptus plants, or whatever inside, and display that. I really love this. It's so nice. So I told you I was going to show you these 3 boxes full of Currier and Ives plates. It's a whole set. Some friends and I, we went to a junk store in Snohomish, Washington. It is amazing. If you ever go to Snohomish, Washington, you need to go check out that junk store. I will link the Snohomish tour that I went through a whole bunch of antique stores. That was actually my very first YouTube video I ever did, so it is a really quick video going through those antique stores. So anyway, it still is a great video, and in there is the junk store at the very end. You will see that. But anyway, I want to show you what I found. So first of all, I actually found this at one of the antique stores at Snohomish. This is a red version of what I'm about to show you. So the ones I'm going to show you are blue, but it comes in red as well. So pretty. But here is this box. So I'm going to unwrap it and show you what I found. Alright, so here is the salt shaker. Isn't that pretty? There's, and then here is the pepper shaker. Isn't that pretty? Here is the gravy bowl. So when I went inside and I saw this, I actually went in the store 3 times. The first time I asked if he would be willing to sell this on its own, because there was a whole set there, and I did not want to buy, at the time, did not want to buy the whole set. And I said, will you sell this to me? And he goes, nope, I will only sell the whole set. So off I went, and I asked him a second time, and he said no. So the third time I went there, he said, I'll tell you what, I will sell you the whole set for $50. Yes, he said that. And I almost pinched myself, because I can tell you right now that each and every one of these pieces cost way more than that. So anyway, so here's the gravy bowl. And then a couple teacups. I love the teacups. They're so pretty. And then there's a bunch of these. These are the dessert plates. So pretty. So there's a bunch of those in there. And this is only the box number 1. And here is the creamer and the sugar bowl. And I hope I have the lid to that sugar bowl. Box number 2. So heavy, I'm telling you. This was a huge find. Here's this. Here. Oh. Another creamer. And then here is the sugar bowl with the lid. So one of the sugar bowls does not have a lid, and one has a lid. Okay, so these are the plates inside the box. There's a whole bunch of them. There is a total of 8 of these plates. These are really pretty. I love using these during the holidays. And then this other box has these bowls in there. And it looks like 8 of those bowls. But I just wanted to show you this. This is a bowl. See how it's kind of dirty? So this is what happens when you go secondhand store shopping. Things will be dirty. And I'm trying to tell you guys, it's okay if it's dirty. Because guess what? You take it home and you wash it. You put it through the dishwasher, wash it by hand. You can bleach it. Anyway, it's okay that it's dirty, because these are treasures. You buy these at antique stores or anywhere else, and you're going to pay $12 a piece for these. So anyway, that is the 3 boxes I opened up. I'm not going to bore you showing you every single one of them, but I just wanted you to see that. That was a fun find. $50. I'm talking like, so 8 plates, 8 dessert plates, 8 bowls, 8 teacups and saucers, 2 sets of sugar and creamers, and 1 gravy bowl, all for $50. Hey, that's a good deal. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. That was a lot of fun. All right, so I am going to show you 3 more antiques that I found. One of them is one of my pride and joy, and the other 2 you've seen before in my videos, but I've never really shown you them up close, and I'm going to do that today. So here we go. I'm going to take you downstairs. All the antiques that I'm showing you here today are all under $100 each. So this is a blue velvet chair that I found for $75 off of Facebook Marketplace. I mean, look at that wood, and that blue velvet is so beautiful. It fits exactly as I want it in my home. I love it. But I have to show you the back of it. Check out that wood. If you love wood, look at that. It's so yummy. Anyway, I think this is one of my favorite pieces of furniture. So I'm moving on to number 2 that I want to show you down here. This is an antique desk. But first I want to tell you this story. I actually got this art after 2 years of being married. It was one of the very first things that I bought for $2 at a yard sale. On our 10th anniversary, my husband had it framed for me. That was so sweet. Here is the little oak chair. It has blue velvet fabric here on the top. It is so soft. It's like the perfect blue. I just love it. It's so small and it fits perfectly. And I love this little detail at the top. My husband bought this desk for me for my birthday last year for $100. I cannot believe that it was only $100. It comes with this key. I just love that key. And look at that oak wood. So beautiful. I love the patina of antique wood. And in here I held some tape. And I just want to show you, I found this little pitcher, or it's actually a creamer at Goodwill, like for $3. With the desk closed and the chair tucked underneath, this is such a perfect compact desk for this little corner. And right alongside this desk is this sofa. I first want to show you this stool. I use this to put my coffee on, like an end table. It's got a little ding at the top. But anyway, this is not vintage. It's actually from Amazon, and I will link that down below. I love mixing styles like this Victorian sofa. I actually painted this with chalk paint. I will share a link down below of the tutorial for that. This sofa is gorgeous. Check out the details, especially that in the middle. This little corner is kind of like a private place to be able to read or whatever I want to do. So check out this. This is another antique that I found for $7.99. I love it. But I want to show you, this is the room where the antique sofa is, just to give you a perspective of where it is. So I paid $50 for this sofa. What a deal. I thought I had 3 things to show you, but this is number 4. This dresser I bought for $65. Isn't it gorgeous? And I'm showing you a whole bunch of things up there. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But check out what's in here. This is where I hold my dining room supplies. I have my napkins and some plates and some tablecloths. Look at those handles. I just love them. And then the details on the side here, so pretty. So how I acquired this dresser was that my daughter, she was looking for a vanity and a bed frame, and I was looking for a dresser to fit in this corner, and I had an idea of what I wanted, and I scoured Craigslist and I scoured Facebook Marketplace, and this came up, and I saw it, and she wanted $195 for 3 pieces. You think this is beautiful? You should see my daughter's vanity and her bed. It is so gorgeous. I just want to show you this crystal canister. If you know the proper name for this, let me know. This is so heavy. It is so amazing. I just love how beautiful it is. My husband likes to store his amazing drinks in there. Everything you see on top of this dresser, I bought at Goodwill. You can find treasures like this too. Thanks for coming by and watching this video. For more information about who I am and what I'm about, you can go to victorianlanefarms.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you again next week. Bye for now.